Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install Python on macOS using Homebrew. To get started, let's check if Python is already installed on your Mac by running the command which python3. If the returned path looks something like this, that means it's the system's default Python version. It is highly recommended to install an independent version of Python for your own usage. The easiest way to install it is by typing the command brew install python. This will automatically grab the latest version. If you need a specific version, you can use the command brew search python to see a list of available options. For this tutorial, I'll just go ahead and install the latest one. Once the installation is complete, the terminal will display the directory where Python was installed. You can use this path as a symlink, which essentially acts as a shortcut. Next, try typing the command which python3. If it still returns the system's Python path, we need to use the echo command to print out the environment variables currently configured on your machine. If you see that the Homebrew environment variable is already set up, simply close your terminal, open it back up, and check one more time. And there we go. Your Python version is now updated to the one we just installed via Homebrew. If it's still not working, go ahead and run the 2 extra commands I've left in the description below. Now, you can drop into the Python environment by typing python3 just to test things out. If you prefer typing just Python for short, but you get a command not found error, go ahead and open up Finder and head over to your home folder. If your hidden files and folders aren't showing, simply press Command-Shift period to reveal them. Look for a file named either .zprofile or .zshrc and open it. You can use the terminal for this, but opening it with TextEdit is super convenient too. Just add this command: alias python equals python3. Save the file and close it out. Now, if you go back to the terminal and type Python, you'll successfully drop into the Python environment. Let's do a quick math test. Awesome! Python is working perfectly on your Mac. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.